A carpentry workshop is a place where people can learn the skills of carpentry and woodworking. It provides tools, materials, and guidance to help people create their own projects. Carpentry is one of the oldest and most versatile of the construction trades. Carpenters build, install, and repair the framework and structures made of wood and other materials. In the carpentry workshop, students will learn how to use hand and power tools to measure, cut, shape, and join wood. They will also learn how to read blueprints and follow building codes. Here is a video related to carpentry workshop. If there is no suitable 3D model, you can choose a 2D image instead. Here are some of the main components, tools, materials, guidance, safety, projects, skills, design, finishing, maintenance, community. Quiz challenge? What is the most important factor to consider when setting up a small garage woodworking workshop on a budget?